Thank you, Madam Speaker. And I also thank Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, I do not deny stating that the works will start in 2016. At the outset, Madam Speaker, I wish to inform the Honourable House that the contractor Chinese Railway 14 Construction Company Limited has a construction contract with the Chinese government. Secondly, Madam Speaker, the contractor also has the implementation contract with Fiji Roads Authority signed on 3rd December 2015. Furthermore, Madam Speaker, I maintain that the works have started. That does not mean that you put hundreds of workers there, the diggers, the crane, the construction workers. That means that the construction work is started. This bridge is about prefab material and all those things. The contractors, they are doing prefab. In other words, the construction is started, the contractor is in the country, and the work has begun. Thank you.
Supplementary question, and I give it to the Honourable Premsing.
Madam Speaker, may I refresh the memory of the Minister that the two bridges were closed in 2012. It's almost 4 years, and large bridges like Singatoka and Ba were built within 4 years after the Cyclone Kina in 1993. And these two bridges were not slides in swings, as he said in July last year. Madam Speaker, my question to the Minister is, doesn't this prove incompetence in his ministry and in FRA?
The Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, not at all. As I have said, the construction is started, the contractor is in the country, the agreements have been signed. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable.
And let me not talk about slides and swings, otherwise you'll be in trouble.
Honourable Ngavoka, you have the floor.
We got to admire our colleague in there for the way he answers questions. He must have been a boxer, the way he weaves from side to side. But can he just be specific? How much will the Vatuwaqa Bridge cost? How much the Stinson Parade? Be specific. How much, please? Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. He's talking about boxers and all this. Actually, I've learned from him because he knows me. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the cost for both bridges will be around $30 million. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Asari.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Thank the Honourable Minister for the clarity in terms of the cost. Just wanted to ask the Minister, since the work is started, as you mentioned, how long will it take, and whether local labourers will also be included in that building construction phase?
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. That has been the normal practice to utilize local workers. That's number one. Number two, it will take 29 months to complete this bridge. Thank you.
Thank you. Last question, I'll give to the Honourable Revande.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I believe the Minister is mixing words with work. Simple question is whether the government has the money to conduct those repair works. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Works with words or words with work? Both. As I have stated earlier on, I think you are not listening. See, when I speak, I want you people to hear, so that we don't waste time. I have said the contract has been signed between the contractor and the Chinese government. So you don't worry about the fund. The fund is coming from China. Thank you.